You could be wasting hundreds of thousands of dollars on ads, literally burning your money because of a few simple reasons. First off, it's your creatives. You could have the best advertising in the world, throw all your money at breast scales, whatever, but if you don't have good creatives, and creatives are the pictures of your content, by the way, the ads are gonna just go to shit. I want you to think about it like this. Imagine there's 4 people rowing a boat. If everyone does their job, it's gonna go straight and far. And then you turn that up even faster, faster, straighter, farther, more money. But you throw all your money into ads. You don't have a creative, you don't have a good brand, your clothes, your service, whatever. One side of the boat will be rowing, but if the other sides don't row, you shouldn't be rowing at all. You're just going to be going in circles, right? So what do? Just go to Instagram, #clothing brand, or search up your favorite clothing brand. Go to their Instagram and see what kind of creatives they have and copy that. But one thing I can tell you is they're all very high quality and they just look appealing. Like there's some dopamine released with that. And that's a big secret right there. The second huge thing is selling too soon. I have videos popping up on my For You page for TikTok of ads saying, "Who wants to buy this?" And it's a picture of the graphic design. Like, dude, you're one day into your clothing brand. You have no urgency. Why are you releasing your clothes that soon? No one wants to buy it. There's no hype behind it. There's no reason to buy it. As people, we follow the trends. If everyone's going out buying this hoodie, that's what the cool kids wear. Whatever, you want to buy it. If that makes sense. Okay. So, in being too direct, yeah, don't shove it down people's throats. Buy this. Do it in a good creative running ads. Like there's some videos I see where it's like brain rot and then out of nowhere pops up the clothing brand. And it's pretty clever marketing, it's something different. And then people subconsciously like it. They're like, hey, this is different. They're not shoving it in my face to buy it. So maybe I just might. And building trust is a big one. That comes with social proof. Your content, what you're working on, your honesty, your personal brand coming out here on YouTube saying, hey, this is what I'm struggling with. Oh, this is what I'm doing well, like this drop went successful, yada yada, building that trust, connecting with your followers. And then a huge problem is a lot of these brands, they don't solve an issue. Like, for example, like imagine someone just released a blank hoodie, like a small random brand. Like, who is their audience? They're solving no issue. No one's gonna buy it. But then someone goes out there, drops some super unique brand about conspiracy theories, like unhidden truth or something, just crazy. Like that's so good and niche. They're marketing to such a small, good audience of people who will continuously buy it. Like that is what we like to see as freelance brand scaling agents. And then selling should be the last thing. You would rather have people waiting on you, like, when are you gonna sell? When are you gonna sell? Versus, here's my product, come and buy it. Because you have so much supply, but you have no demand. So if you can have more demand than supply, you are gonna be good. And then targeting too broad. A lot of you guys don't actually do this triangle as like school, whatever, boring as it might be. This is it right here, bro. This is a huge secret to the game because you're narrowing down exactly your ideal client back to that whole conspiracy brand. Okay, I think the age could be pretty broad, probably United States, English people. These people probably have a bit of money. Maybe they're a little bit older. They're definitely interested in conspiracy theories. So I'm gonna start making ads where it's like, oh, have you seen this about the moon? And then bam, pops up my clothing brand. And then, because simply you can't have a broad audience. Not everyone wants to buy the same thing. If every person in the world had one of these, you wouldn't have one. You'd throw it away because it's dumb. Everyone has it. It's not cool. It's like inflation, you know? Like, if there was one banana in the world, that'd be valuable. But if there's a million, one banana is like nothing. If you guys are following there. And then, mistake number 4, a weak offer. Sell your problem and then offer your solution. Alex Hormozi said it best in his book. A lot of you guys aren't going out there with the hope of I'm selling a problem and offering the solution. Here's the problem. You can only buy my brand if you want to be some conspiracy theory clothing guy. You want to rep it. You want people to know. And you sell them the solution. Hey, I'm the only brand you can buy to get that, unless you want to do some crazy expensive custom tee. Like, I'm one of one out there. I am your solution, but I'm not pushing that in your face. It's so subconscious. But like this, if you just went to sell this, no one's gonna buy it. Why would they want to buy it? What are they solving? If I bought that conspiracy theory hoodie, it's like, okay, now people know. Now I feel confident repping it because it's so unique and it's so me and niche, you know? And this is more of a tip, just adding value. Give them some free stickers, text with them, chat with them, customer service, give them fast shipping. It's little things like that that's going to keep these customers returning over and over again. And now, the ad strategy. So you have your good creatives, you have your solution, your offer, yada yada. That's where you guys should honestly go to someone like me, a freelance brand scaler, and let them worry about all of that. They'll take 10%, so you won't have to worry about that. That's just another side of the boat with just some AI person rowing. It's free bread right there. And here's some of the key takeaways from this video. Strong brand identity. Selling your offer and solution. Very important. Finding your targeted targeted messaging. Reaching out to a very specific group of people from that example earlier. Seeing what those conspiracy theory weirdos want. Mobile optimization, making everything clean, fast, easy. Boom, another side of the boat. Done. And then just that social proof, that kind of personal branding, that ads showing a little bit of strengths, a little bit of weaknesses, problems you've been working on, how well your drop went, yada yada. And then your PCE, post-click experience, just hire someone or make a good website yourself that's simple, so it's just another side of the boat you shouldn't be worrying about. That's pretty much going to do it for today's video, but comment fix if you have a brand. I'll look at it. I'll give you some free sauce, request a review. I have a link in my link tree in the bio where you can go and apply for me to run your ads, and then like, subscribe, share. Thank you boys for watching.